Hey guys, it's Valentina with Crown Tours. I'm going to take you on our day trip to Pompeii and Sorrento. It's 7 a.m. and we're heading over to the vans to go to Pompeii.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah!
Yeah, let's go.
I'm very excited to get to Pompeii because I was told there's a breakfast waiting for us. Very excited. There are so many options to choose from and we get to pick any of these. It could be either savory or sweet. It's a great start to this beautiful day trip. This is Daphne. Hi. Daphne, what are you most excited about?
I've never been to Pompeii and I'm so excited. I've heard it's so beautiful. I can't wait to learn all the history. And I can't wait to see the view as well. I've heard there's a great view.
It is now 10:21 and we just arrived to the entrance of Pompeii and already met our guide actually. She was already waiting for us. We got our audio guides and we're following the guide inside of Pompeii. What's been the most shocking thing?
Seeing the plastered human in the bathhouse, that was pretty impacting.
That was pretty cool. Also, I would say the lupanare, but I'm not going to spoil the surprise. You have to come to see it.
What do you think of the guide?
I think the guide has been amazing. She knows her history very well, not only her history, but also the archaeological facts of the remains. And it's not every day you get to see a tour guide that does that.
It's now 12 and we just finished the tour and now we're heading over to Sorrento, and what was really nice is that our drivers were already waiting for us outside. So now it's 12:25 and we got to one of our first stops on the road to this beautiful viewpoint so we can take some pictures and enjoy the view of Sorrento.
Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you?
It's 1:05 p.m. and the drivers just stopped because they have a surprise for us actually.
Guys, I cannot spoil it, but it was the best surprise ever. It was exactly what was needed for that moment. I cannot say more. I wish I could say more.
Alright guys, it's 2 p.m. and we're finally in Sorrento. We're about to have a delicious lunch and I can't wait to show you because I'm about to eat my favorite southern Italian pasta dish, pasta alle vongole. This lunch is very well thought out. We just had some of the best Italian southern food. We had wine, beer, Aperol, Coca-Cola. Everybody was able to get whatever they wanted. I even got to try some of the other dishes. I'm so excited to take a nap on the bus back and listen to some calming music on the way back to the city. Okay guys, we're finally back in Rome. It's 6 p.m. and I can still make my aperitivo. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any other questions about this day trip, make sure to leave a comment, or you can even reach out to us on the live chat on our website. We'd love to help you out. Make sure to also like and subscribe for more travel tips. See you soon!